Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are back at Epcot here at Walt Disney World to experience Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So we was here for the vlog the other day, but we didn't manage to get a time slot for Guardians of the Galaxy. But today we have managed to book onto it, so we're going to give our full review of it today. But Maze is right there behind the camera.
Right, so I'm actually really looking forward to getting on this ride, largely due to the fact that you literally have to book a virtual queue, you have to wait ages, and then you probably have to wait quite a bit in the queue as well. So it's just giving me very high hopes for the ride. So hopefully, you know, this coaster lives up to the expectations and it is a really good ride. But yeah, obviously can't wait to go in it and see what it's all about. And so I'll pass you back over to Mist.
So we managed to book on at 1, but it's like now like 5 o'clock, so we've been waiting about 4 hours to get onto it, and I don't know how long we've got to wait. Like we could be waiting probably even more. I mean, there is a lot of people waiting outside, but we are going to take you on with a GoPro and we will give you all our full review when we get off the ride. So without any further ado, let's get on the long-awaited Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind.
Much of my knowledge of your worlds came from your great scholar, Peter Quill. However, many of his facts have yet to be confirmed, such as the incredible importance of a legend called Footloose in the beginning of everything. Incredibly high and extraordinarily powerful, this explosion filled the cosmos with a cloud of rapidly moving particles. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand, and the particles cooled and slowed. As they coalesced into huge swirling clouds, gravity pulled them into larger, denser clusters. At the heart of these clusters, the temperature rose, and the particles were compressed so tightly they fused, releasing enormous amounts of heat and light. This is how the very first stars in our shared universe were born.
Xandar is also home to the Nova Corps, whose goal is to maintain universal peace and security while developing friendly relations with civilizations across the cosmos. Our import-export centers facilitate the trade of vast quantities of...
Xandar City was designed around a series of green zones, offering natural spaces for our 12 billion residents to live, work, and play. Xandar soon became a prominent trading hub, the largest import-export hub in the entire Andromeda Galaxy.
When the Star Blast is done, you will discover that its wings can flare out and form a starship.
Tell us in your own words how that felt. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
Just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, dude, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's Hank. Where's this Hank?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This doesn't stand a chance. What? We're still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. It just can't get any worse.
Here we go. You ready, mate?
Oh, I'm ready for this. It's gonna be good.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. then you are likely doomed.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?
Guardians of the Galaxy. What did we think of that, mate?
Well, to be honest, it was alright. It actually wasn't quite what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a bit of an actual bigger coaster, maybe a few more inversions. But I was expecting it to be a bit more intense, but I forgot the more chilled out vibes from there. And it told you a little story and went through it all. And yeah, it was just very sort of chilled out and. Yeah, well, I mean, it's cool. Quite liked it really.
Had the music on as well in there, Dancing in September. But yeah, I mean, I've not really seen Guardians of the Galaxy, so I'm guessing a lot of it was from the film. But yeah, I was expecting, like May said, a bit of a bigger coaster, to be honest. But it's just sort of, well, whether you'd call it a family coaster or just a little bit up from one. But younger ones will go on that absolutely fine. There's no massive drops or anything, is there?
Right.
I mean, there's a few backwards elements, and it's mainly like the story, isn't it? Like taking you through and stuff like that. Yeah. So very, very good, and it's come out really nice now. Like before we went in, it was like hammering it down, weren't it?
It was.
Now the sun's like directly in our eyes, but yeah, Guardians of the Galaxy, really, really good ride. And how it works is the virtual queue, if you don't know. So we, like I said in the intro, we ended up waiting about 4 hours, didn't we, for it at the start?
On the virtual queue, yeah.
We did keep getting pushed back a little bit throughout, but obviously that's depending on how quickly they can get people in and stuff. What time is it now? Because when we went in, they said it was going to be like an hour. Yes. Did move down pretty quick though.
Yeah, so it's now 10 to 7, so it was probably just over an hour with queue for that.
Just over an hour, so not too bad once you get inside. It's just basically getting on the app to book your time slot, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the more stressful experience, I think.
Yeah. Well, once once they basically call your group, you're pretty much on it within an hour anyway. So yeah, very, very good. Theming all the way through the queue line and also in the ride as well. Very, very good, wasn't it?
Yeah, the theming was, really good. Like I say, the queue's pretty much all inside, and that whole hour it's just constant theming. And so it's really good.
The cars do spin as well, don't they? Like when we was going backwards and then we were spinning around the helix, actually in the building itself, like was turning like basically sideways and all over the place, weren't we? Going forwards, backwards, sideways.
Which is quite a nice element to it, really.
Yeah.
Just I mean, I think the ride just turns you itself just to show you like the moon or whatever it was. The big
so we saw like the moon, and then there was Earth as well, wasn't there?
Yeah.
And basically they put the helix round there, so you could see it all. And they was going through all these different portals as well through it. So yeah, very, very good. Definitely do recommend getting on it if you do come here. I mean, whether it will be a virtual queue for much longer, because the ride has been here for well over a year now, hasn't it?
It's been a year in May it was. So.
Yeah. So still a very, very popular ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
With this virtual queuing still. But if you can, definitely recommend getting on it. Just basically keep refreshing the app until the time slot comes up, and hopefully you'll get on. But that does conclude this video, and I hope you all did enjoy. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you all so very much for watching. I will see you all in the next one.